Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? Let's talk some Bitcoin. Let's talk some Mt. Gox. Now, did the Mt. Gox release cause a little bit of a decline in the price of Bitcoin? Well, some might say yes, because we did see it drop down to about 66K even, right? But let's talk about it a little bit. So Mt. Gox refunds trigger BTC decline. Now, here are my thoughts on it, guys. Like I said, I think that there obviously is going to be a small minority of recipients of their Mt. Gox BTC that's probably going to sell, right? Obviously not 100% of the people are going to keep it, right? That's just law of averages, common sense, whatever you want to call it, right? But I really think it's a minority here, right? We're not going to see a mass sell off of any kind, I don't think. You'd have to be a moron. Most of these people are Bitcoin OGs, right? So you'd have to be a complete moron to get your Bitcoin back after 10 years and the value of it be 66K, let's say, knowing it's going to go to about 150 to 200K in the next 12 months, but selling it at 66K. It doesn't make any sense, right? I don't know why you would do that. I personally wouldn't. Let me know in the comments, though, if you guys would sell it or if you would hold it. I'd be interested to know. The imminent launch of the spot Ethereum ETF expected to exceed a daily volume of $1 billion coincides with the BTC struggling to stay above 66K. Ethereum below 3,500. The drop in BTC and altcoins has sparked concerns and queries about the underlying causes. Here are some details behind the recent cryptocurrency downturn. So, what caused the drop in cryptocurrency? So, BTC saw a significant decline, losing over $1,400 within a span of 2 hours. This drop was primarily due to fears of an excess BTC supply following Mt. Gox's announcement to return over 140,000 BTC to creditors starting this month. Now, that's a key phrase there, guys, is fears of it, right? Fear in this market is like a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? People hear, oh, a bunch of people from Mt. Gox, creditors are going to start getting back all this BTC. Then they fear that these people are going to sell, which is going to cause the price to plummet, which causes people to sell out of fear of that happening, which becomes the cause for BTC's price falling. Self-fulfilling prophecy, right? Fear causes people to do what they're scared to happen, right? Reports from creditors on Reddit, X, and Telegram indicate that refunds are being processed through the Kraken exchange. Additionally, Mt. Gox transferred another 47,500 BTC to various addresses, presenting a lucrative selling opportunity for creditors holding billions worth at current prices. The U.S. government BTC movements. Investors' anxiety intensifies as the U.S. government moved $4 million worth of BTC to Coinbase Prime, hinting at a potential sale. The government holds billions in BTC from various seizures. According to Arkham data, Mt. Gox still retains 85,234 BTC. The most refunds expected to conclude in the next 2 weeks, leaving some conditions unmet and raising further curiosity. Now, guys, I am kind of neutral on this. I don't know whether I want the price to crash or not at this point, because I am really, really, really appreciating and enjoying the opportunity to fill some bags on some projects I didn't think I was going to have the opportunity to fill my bags on before we kicked off the parabolic part of the bull run, right? The more I'm able to scoop up right now and over the next, 4 months or so, the more money I'm going to get next year, right? So that's kind of how I'm looking at things right now. It's a double-edged sword for me, right? What do we got? Large Bitcoin short fund proposals. So, CSOP Asset Management, a major Chinese asset manager, seeks to launch a new ETF for shorting BTC. This could lead to increased capital flow into short products, potentially causing panic and additional selling among investors, contributing to the recent price drops. You see how simple little things, like just little movements and stuff like that, can cause so much emotion in some people, and that emotion can actually manipulate the entire asset class, the entire market. It's crazy how that works. That, my friends, is why they say that every 4-year cycle is the same, that doesn't change. You know why that things don't change? People say, well, how do you know there's going to be a bull run? How do you know that there's going to be an altcoin season? Because people are still people. They're still controlled by emotions. They still get overwhelmed with FOMO and excitement and euphoria. They still get overwhelmed with fear, anxiety of losing, right? And that is how these markets flow, is based on human emotion. And as long as humans have these emotions that can't control them, these markets will continue to flow in the ebbs and flows that we see and that we enjoy, right? People will always be people. So the investor takeaways, monitor Mt. Gox related BTC movements for potential market impacts. Be aware of U.S. government BTC transactions indicating possible sales, and consider the implications of short-focused ETFs on market dynamics. So what lies ahead? The Mt. Gox refunds were inevitable and have commenced amid the hopeful bullish period for crypto. Despite the current suppression of the rise, no massive drops have been observed. In the medium to long term, resolving such a major issue is likely positive for the markets. So basically, let's just get this over with, right? Once completed, the refunds will address one of crypto's significant challenges, potentially setting the stage for a rally. However, the unpredictable nature of crypto markets leaves room for surprises. I agree. Let's rip off the Band-Aid. Let's get these creditors finally paid back. This has weighed over the heads of digital asset or crypto investors for 10 years. Let's get these people paid back. Let's whatever the damage is going to be, let's just absorb this damage, because you know that, like, absorb is the appropriate word, because you know that, like, BlackRock and Fidelity and you know, Michael Saylor and like all these other entities are going to absorb all of this selling pressure, just like they did with the German government sell-off, right? It's going to be the same thing. And I, for one, will be one of those people absorbing as much as I possibly can. I'm like a sponge over here, baby, like a sponge, right? But I want to know what you guys think. Are we going to have a dump? Are we just going to kind of go sideways and choppy for a few more months? Or are we going to start to pump, baby? Let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Guys, smash the join button to join our community. Over 350 people there, guys. We do members-only live streams, micro-cap gems, all kinds of stuff like that. We help you with your portfolio structure, your exit strategies, all that stuff. And we also book, guys, one-on-one coaching sessions. Jump over to the Patreon for that if you need one-on-one coaching sessions to help not only control your emotions and your decisions, but your portfolio, all that stuff. Everything involved in crypto, right? We're there to coach you. We're there to help you. Jump over to the Patreon, book your one-on-one video call coaching sessions, guys. Our spots are booking up into the weekend, next weekend now at this point, because we're all booked up for the week. People are scooping up these sessions like crazy right now, guys. And I got to say, I'm having a lot of fun, and I'm really enjoying doing these one-on-ones with you guys, right? Getting to know you guys on individual bases, learning your stories, learning your situations, your goals, your dreams, your ideals, and trying to help you guys reach those objectives, right? So definitely jump over to the Patreon for that, guys. Also, you learn technical analysis training over there as well. So you can start identifying when you should be dollar cost averaging, when you should be taking profits, all that kind of stuff. So definitely, guys, the link to the Patreon's down below. Check it out. Once again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.